Hello and a very good day everyone. So today we will learn on Power Query on how we can actually extract the dates and also the amount from a particular string or from a particular sentence. For example, we want to extract the date over here and we want to extract the amount over here and we want to put in a separate column. So how we can do it? So this is where we will use Power Query to do the magic. So let's get started. So right now what I do is I'll press Ctrl A so that I will highlight the entire table, and then what I'll do is I'll go to data and then I go to from table/range. So once I click this icon over here, you will notice that a small box will appear. So in this small box, what you need to do is you press OK. So the moment you press OK, you will notice that it will be navigated to Power Query Editor. So in this Power Query Editor, we will do the data cleaning, whereby we will extract the date and also we will extract the amount as well. So how we want to extract the date? If you notice carefully, the date is located after the word on and before comma. So what I want to do is I want to extract the date which is after the on and before the comma. So what I'll do is I'll go to add column and I click on custom column. So once I click custom column, you will notice a box will appear. So regardless of the column name, what I want to do is I just want to put a name whereby it should be before the comma and after the on. But before that, what I want to do is I want to do some changes whereby I want to make sure that all these letters are in small case or undercase. Why? Because if just say I choose on, it will actually capture the line sales and whatnot. So what I'll do is I'll go to transform, I'll go to format and I'll choose lowercase. So once I choose lowercase, you will notice all will be in lowercase, because if we never change the lowercase, it will capture the wrong details and whatnot. So I'll go to add column and I'll press custom column, and then what I'll do is I'll just put here text before. So text before, basically I want to capture anything which is before the comma. So I'll put here text before, and then what I'll do is I want to select these particular details. So these details over here, insert. So text before these details, comma, apostrophe, comma, apostrophe, close bracket. So no syntax error, and I press OK. So once I press OK, so you will notice that it will capture all this. That means it capture anything before the comma. But I want to capture anything after the on. So what I'll do is I'll go to this screw over here. I'll click on the settings and I'll write here, okay, text after. Okay, so text after, so it's followed by these particular details. So text after delimiter, and then I'll put here comma, apostrophe, on, and the case. So if you notice, I write small letters on, which is lowercase, which is similar to this over here, and then after that I put space, because we notice there is a space, and then apostrophe, close bracket, so no syntax error, and we press OK. So once we press OK, you will notice right now it has captured the dates like 12 November, 7 July, 4 September, and 3rd January. What I'm going to do next is I also want to extract the amount as well. So this is where we will use the text select and whatnot. So what I'm going to do is I'll just go to add column, custom column again. This time I want to choose text select, because text select I want to select the particular amount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here text select. And what I want to select, so basically I want to actually select from these figures over here, from this string over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press insert and I'm going to press comma, and then what I'm going to do is I just want to put this special bracket, and then after that apostrophe, 0, apostrophe, full stop, apostrophe, 9, apostrophe, close the special bracket, close the bracket. So now you press this and then you press OK. So now I press this. If you notice carefully, not only it captured the amount, it also captured the date. Like you see, like 3/1/2/2023, 4/9/2023. So in this case, basically I'm not capturing the amount, I'm also capturing the amount and the date. So what if only I want to capture the amount only? So this is where we want to use the text after and whatnot. So let me just go to these settings over here and I'll just click these settings. So basically I want to actually select the details. So I'll just rub this, erase this, and I'll use text after delimiter. So after what, I'm going to put open bracket, select the revenue details, click insert, and then I'll put here comma, and then I put apostrophe, comma, apostrophe, close bracket. So basically it will close bracket after the delimiter. And now when I press OK, so you'll notice right now it has captured the particular amount. So instead right now if you notice, we do have the dates and we do have the amount as well. So what I'm going to do is I'll just put here a whole number, and over here I'll just put here date. Okay, so if you don't want the null, what you can do is you can actually go to transform and you can replace value. So basically I'll just put here null and replace with 0, and I press OK. And you see here 0, and here you can just remove this column, and then you can rename as well. Maybe you can just put here date, and then over here you can actually put this as the amount as well. Alright, and then I can go to home and I click on close and load to. So once I press close and load to, so I just want to use on existing worksheet and I want to put it over here, and I press OK. So right now you'll notice we have already captured the date and also the amount. So you just say you do have additional data. For example, Kale birthday on 4th April 2023. Okay, and then after that we spent 2,300 on food, and we can just put here on 10th August 2023 we spent 300 on cake. Okay, so if you notice carefully, we do have this data over here. So we do have added a new data. So what I'm going to do is I press right click and I press refresh. So we do have the additional data over here popping out automatically.